Yo, what's going on today, guys? It is Campo Produces here, and today we're gonna be going over how to get sales on Beatstars. It's the best way I've found personally, and it's quite simple. And you'll get plays, you'll get likes, and you'll make a few sales. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to My Media and hit promote. Now this will bring you to this. You probably won't have these here, but these are other beats I've promoted, and as you see, 21,000 impressions, 22,000 impressions, 18, 17. It just depends how much you put into it, really. But once you spend money and you make your money back with the sale, so what you're going to do is hit promote here in the top right. And for beats, you're going to want to put track. You can promote your profile, but I don't really recommend it as much as just promoting a beat. So you'd want to find a beat. So for instance, let's do this beat, and then this option comes up, and there's a few ways you could do this. I like going for a short amount of days and like a high budget. The more you put into it, like I said, the more plays you'll get. So or you could run it continuously, which means it keeps going until you stop it. You'll keep getting charged, so I don't know if you want to do that. I like to set a limit to it so it can only get charged a certain amount. How much it charges you depends on how many plays and how many views it gets. Like it could vary. Like you could put $5 a day, but it might only charge you $3. So yeah, I recommend doing probably about 5 days, and I'd do like $6 or $7 a day or somewhere in there. It depends how much money you're willing to spend, and how good the beat is, if you think it's gonna sell. So once you get to this page, hit create campaign, and as you see, it'll be scheduled for the next day. Another way to get traction on your beats on Beatstars is have a deal going on. So for example, I have a buy two get one free. Don't do anything crazy like some of these accounts on Instagram doing like buy one get 10 free, because that's just ruining the market. So as you see, there's trending searches on here also, and this means they're really popular right now. So putting these tags in there will get you more searches and plays, at least in the current moment in time. Now, but I wouldn't recommend putting these tags or anything in there unless your beat follows along these tags. And I refreshed the page and there's even more tags, as you can see. But yeah, definitely follow the trending searches. Another way to get beat sales is like hitting up local artists. So like I'm from St. Louis, just connect with people near you, try to get in the studio and just meet people and make connections so you can sell them beats. Another great way to get sales is by collecting people's email whenever they download your beats for free. So when you make an upload, here, we'll just throw in some random beat. I just pull beat. So whenever you're uploading SoundCloud, there'll be an option right here, capture email only. So when you do that, you get the email over in one of these tabs here. I have it here, but you'll basically get a bunch of emails. And they'll pop up right here. And then what you do is you make a MailChimp, which is also a free website, or you could have a paid version, but its base is free. So what you'll do is you'll download this file right here. Oh, you can't even see it. Well, there's a download symbol right here, and you download that and you'll upload it to MailChimp, and what it'll do is it'll send out an email. Well, you create the email and you send it out, so it's not spam. But anyway, you send out email to all these people and you try to promote your beats. There's different ways you go about that, but it's definitely a great way to get traction and sales to your Beatstars page. So another thing to get beat sales and plays is buy Beatstars Pro. I know what you're thinking, like you want me to spend all this money, you know? And not exactly. I mean, it's more of an investment because they come on this page and they're like, wow, this is professional, you know? And they'll want to buy from you even more. So I really recommend it. It's really customizable. There's different templates and everything. Alright guys, that will be the end of this video. I appreciate everybody checking it out. If you would like more tutorials and videos like this, please leave a thumbs up and leave a comment on suggestions for videos I could do to help out the producer community. I could do FL tutorials or whatever sounds good to you guys. I appreciate you checking out my video and have a good one. Thank you.